offer the motion to admit lawyers this morning and to offer a few words on his own behalf is the Attorney General of Indiana, Greg Zoeller. General Zoeller.
Chief Justice, may it please the court, I stand today to offer the motion for admission of these applicants. But first, if I may, let me offer my own personal welcome to all the family, friends who support the sacrifices made this day so it's possible that they join us in the legal profession. A special note of pride, the 9 clerks who served me in the Office of the Attorney General, who sat for the bar, are all here today, and I'm glad to see them all and those who will be admitted. And really to all those who are to be admitted, I offer my congratulations to you on joining a profession that is at the heart of our system of justice and of our civil society. Our profession requires but 2 things of us: that we serve the interests of our clients as a primary responsibility, and that we do so with passion. As an attorney in the public practice of law, I have the honor to serve the state as a client, and all the states, all the people of our state who in turn we serve. But all attorneys must strive to serve our clients' interests first, before our own interests, before the interests of our firms, and before the interests of the partners. So be mindful that you are joining a profession that is a vocation of service and not just an occupation. And in this vocation of serving others, it is not enough that you do so as if it were merely a job. You must represent your clients with passion, to represent them zealously. Our system of justice requires no less than what you say in your oath, that you will represent them to the best of your skill and ability. I've often thought of the high demands of our profession when I administer the oath of office to a new Deputy Attorney General. And so I conclude the oath with very special emphasis on the final line that serves both as an oath and a prayer. So help me, God. And with that thought, Chief Justice, if I could make my motion, whereas I, Gregory F. Zoeller, Attorney General of the State of Indiana, respectfully moves this court to admit to the practice of law in the State of Indiana and to the bar of the Supreme Court of Indiana each of the applicants who have appeared today, and to enter their names on the rolls of attorneys of this great court.
Thank you. Mr. Attorney General, it's grand to have you here today, and it's a great pleasure to grant your motion. To administer the oath, I'll call on the clerk of the Indiana Supreme Court, Court of Appeals and Tax Court, Kevin S. Smith.
Please rise if you're able. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Indiana. I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers. I will not counsel or maintain any action, proceeding, or defense which shall appear to me to be unjust. But this obligation shall not prevent me from defending a person charged with crime in any case. I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me Such means only as are consistent with truth, and never seek to mislead the court or jury by any artifice or false statement of fact or law. I will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of my client at every peril to myself. I will abstain from offensive personality and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or witness, unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged. I will not encourage either the commencement or the continuance of any action or proceeding from any motive of passion or interest. I will never reject from any consideration personal to myself the cause of the defenseless, the oppressed, or those who cannot afford adequate legal assistance. So help me God. Congratulations.
You may be seated.